actually in the middle of doing our embroidery applique project on the Bernina 880, but I wanted to show you what to do if you needed to stop in the middle of an embroidery design and do a quick little sewing or a seam that you just forgot that you needed to do, or somebody interrupted you and said, oh, I need this stitched up real quick. We are actually doing a butterfly from the Embroidery Essentials online course. If you haven't had a chance to check that out, definitely see what it's all about with the links below, and you can see how you can master your Bernina 880 embroidery machine in the fastest way possible. Yes, you'll be making this fun little project, but it's actually the steps, the series of repetition that you do over and over and over is what you get to really good with your machine. So I'm going to just set that to the side, and if I was ready to do a quick sewing, I'm going to come over to the home button and touch it. And when I touch the foot with the stitching, it's going to tell me a couple things. Number one, take off your hoop. If you hadn't already done that, it will bring up a little screen showing that the hoop is going to move. And it's really the embroidery arm is moving to the furthest point of the location that it can sit in. By the way, this is the park position, so if you've seen that feature around the machine, that is another way to bring this all the way over, is to go ahead and touch that you want to go sew. So then the first thing to do is to go ahead, tail the machine. You'll be using the foot, probably foot number 1C, and then that little extra noise you heard was actually the feed dogs coming up. So as soon as you start to stitch, those feed dogs will come up. I still have the straight stitch throat plate on, so if you're doing more than straight stitching in the center needle position, you'll want to turn that off, put that plate on, and sew. But when you are ready to go back to embroidery, now you saw I was in the middle of an embroidery design. All you need to do, touch the home button, touch the hoop picture, and watch what it does. First thing it's going to do is tell me, wait, you don't have the right foot on with the little red exclamation point here. So I'm going to tell it I do really have my foot 26, the embroidery foot on, and then go ahead and touch the needle and thread. So, oh, yep, hoop time. So again, just follow directions. Do it in the order that you're asked. Don't try to jump ahead. That will assist. Yes, it's going to move, so confirm that you're there. I was on step 7, about ready to stitch the satin stitch all the way around this cutout applique fabric, and look where it is. Step 7. If I was on step 7 or color 7 and I was like 100 stitches in and I had stopped it to do this exact same thing, no problem. That is exactly how this machine will remember. It knows where you are. We could also turn off the machine right now and say, oh, we got to run out, we got to go pick somebody up, and then when we come back, it will remember that this was the last stitch you were on, and it would be able to pull you back in. If you'd moved that design at all, it will have remembered that, and it'll remember what stitch you're actually on. So just know that your machine is smart. You don't have to do anything else, like you didn't have to save it. You just need to activate it. If you don't put a new design in its place, it will remember where you are within a design that you already had on screen. So if this has been helpful for you, make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you're interested in that online course, check out the links in the description below.